Today is perfect for exploring the jungle.
I hope we discover something exciting.
These trees are taller than I expected.
Stay close because the jungle is very dense.
Did you hear that strange sound nearby?
Yes, it sounded like something moved behind us.
This narrow path may lead somewhere important.
Let us follow it before it becomes dark.
Look at these large footprints in the mud.
They seem old, but someone walked here before.
Something is shining between those trees.
Maybe sunlight is reflecting from a hidden object.
I found an old compass near this rock.
It may have belonged to another explorer.
We need to cross this river carefully.
Step slowly on the stones and hold my hand.
We cross the river without getting wet.
Now we can continue searching for the light.
There is an old map inside this wooden box.
The map shows a cave behind a waterfall.
I can hear the waterfall in the distance.
We must be going in the correct direction.
Look, a family of deer is watching us.
Stay calm and do not frighten them.
This waterfall is larger than it looked on the map.
The cave entrance must be hidden behind the water.
The cave is dark and very cold.
Use the glowing crystal so we can see.
These symbols are carved into the cave wall.
One of them matches the symbol on the map.
I will press the golden symbol carefully.
Look, the stone door is slowly opening.
This room has been hidden for hundreds of years.
Everything is covered with dust and spider webs.
There is a large treasure chest in the corner.
The chest may contain the lost jungle gold.
The chest is full of shining gold coins.
We finally found the legendary hidden treasure.
We should use this gold to help poor families.
We should also protect the jungle and its animals.